Now, what are viruses? Viruses are the smallest microbes. Their size ranges from 0.015 micrometer to 0.2 micrometer. They are that small, and therefore they cannot be viewed or seen under any microscope, but they need a high resolution microscope, which is the electron microscope. So they can be viewed or seen. They are visible only under electron microscope because of their size, because being the smallest in size. Okay, now they vary in different shape. They don't have a particular typical shape, but they vary in shape. They can be rod shaped, cuboidal, spherical, wire like, polygonal, etc. Then viruses do not have cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus or other organelles. If you can see in the picture there, in the figure there, I've made a polygonal virus. So virus has a head, a neck and a tail. So the head part, can you see? Yes, then that is the neck, the collar, and then the tail at the base. So they do not have cell wall, they do not have cell membrane, they do not have nucleus or other cell organelles. Now they consist of strand of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, which is surrounded by protective protein coat known as the capsule. If you can see in the figure there, right, the head, which is protected by a capsule that is made up of protein. It's a protein coat. And the DNA or the nucleic acid, the strand of nucleic acid, here it's DNA, it can either be DNA or RNA. Then viruses are obligate parasites. Parasites, we all know that they need a host to live, right? So they are obligate parasites. That means they depend on the parasites, they depend on the host. Therefore they are considered neither living or dead. Why? Because when they are outside, they are inactive, but once they find a host and once they are inside the host, they multiply and reproduce, and they multiply and reproduce very fast. So they are obligate parasites. They depend on the host. Once they get their host, they grow and reproduce inside it. Outside, they are inactive. Therefore they are neither considered as living nor dead.